OMNIS, easier on a whole new level. With OMNIS, exchanging the reagent is a matter of 3 simple steps. Remove the liquid adapter from the empty reagent bottle. Open the lid of the bottle cap on the new reagent bottle. Finally, snap the liquid adapter onto the new reagent bottle. It's as easy as that. With OMNIS, you can connect your installed instruments in a virtual network and control it from anywhere at any time. The graphical user interface of your OMNIS system is designed for intuitive operation. All available instruments are instantly recognized in the software. Simply select the instruments you need and configure your OMNIS analyzer by drag and drop. When you enter data on the OMNIS user interface, OMNIS checks the validity of your input. OMNIS actually warns you if your input fails this check. Even better, move your mouse over the field in question, and OMNIS helps you to enter valid data. Turntable sample changers need a lot of space on the lab bench. That is why the OMNIS sample robot uses a modular XYZ system, using the space on your lab bench most efficiently. No question, OMNIS makes titration easier than ever.